China's J-50 just completed a breakthrough test flight, revealing a clean, probe-free nose design that signals a major leap in sixth-generation progress. The latest J-50 test flight on November 28, 2025 revealed a clean nose design without the traditional airspeed probe, confirming a new level of aerodynamic and sensor maturity. Engineers typically remove such probes only when advanced internal sensors and data fusion systems are reliable. This indicates the J-50 has transitioned from basic aerodynamic testing into a more refined, stealth-optimized phase, aligning it with global sixth-generation development standards. China's J-50 is currently advancing faster than the Chengdu J36, even though both aircraft represent parallel sixth-generation programs. While the J36 continues to receive visible structural adjustments such as inlet revisions and updated control surfaces, the J-50 already appears to be settling into a stable, stealth-shaped configuration. This difference suggests Shenyang's platform is closer to advanced validation testing, reflecting a more rapid design refinement cycle. The fact that China now conducts sixth-generation test flights almost every month shows an accelerated development rhythm rarely seen in prototype programs. This pace allows engineers to validate new sensors, refine shaping, improve energy management performance, and transition prototypes into near-operational configurations more quickly. Regular test activity also signals strong institutional support, indicating that China views next-generation aviation as a high-priority strategic domain. China's newest sixth-generation fighter prototype, the Shenyang J-50, has just completed a remarkable new test flight, and for the first time, observers noticed the nose-mounted airspeed probe completely removed. This small change signals a major shift in the aircraft's development stage and reveals how quickly the program is advancing. In this video, we explore what this new finding means, why it matters globally, and how the J-50's rapid evolution is reshaping expectations for next-generation aviation. The most striking development in the J-50's newest test flight is the clear removal of the airspeed probe from the nose, a feature that had appeared on earlier prototypes. This detail may look minor, but to aerospace engineers, it marks a major transition. Early-stage prototypes rely heavily on long external sensors, including air data booms, to collect flight characteristics such as airflow, pressure, and calibration data. Removing that equipment usually means the aircraft's designers are confident in its aerodynamic stability and are shifting toward testing more advanced systems rather than basic flight behavior. Recent images show the J-50 in midair from multiple angles, confirming a clean, uninterrupted nose profile. This is consistent with a transition from initial aerodynamic trials into more integrated testing phases. In these phases, engineers focus on engine performance, onboard computing, advanced avionics, high-precision sensors, and low observability validation, areas that define sixth-generation capability. Essentially, the test team no longer needs the bulky external hardware to gather essential data, signaling that the J-50's software-based internal measurement systems are now calibrated and reliable. Another major detail visible in the latest flight footage is the J-50's distinctive tailless lambda wing layout. This geometry reduces radar returns, increases lift efficiency, and allows the aircraft to maintain stability without traditional horizontal tail surfaces. Combined with diverterless air intakes and blended fuselage shaping, the J-50 demonstrates a strong emphasis on low-signature performance. Engineers appear to be experimenting with control algorithms that replace mechanical surfaces with advanced flight computing, something seen in cutting-edge designs worldwide. The twin-engine configuration also suggests a focus on high thrust-to-weight performance. This enhances acceleration, altitude flexibility, and agility, aligning the J-50 with next-generation air superiority concepts. Interestingly, the aircraft's overall shaping hints at a design optimized for both maneuverability and extended range, without leaning heavily toward either extreme. All of this makes the latest test flight more than just another routine evaluation. It marks the moment the J-50 enters a more mature testing phase, where the focus shifts from can it fly safely to can it perform as a next-generation platform? The absence of the airspeed probe signals readiness for deeper systems integration, and that's a milestone experts have been waiting for. One of the most fascinating aspects of China's aerospace progress is the simultaneous development of two separate sixth-generation fighter programs, Chengdu's J-36 and Shenyang's J-50. Rather than choosing a single design philosophy early on, China appears to be allowing two major aircraft corporations to pursue parallel prototypes. The result is a dual-track strategy that accelerates innovation while ensuring at least one design, or possibly both, can meet future mission demands. The J-36, developed by Chengdu, is typically described as a heavier multi-role platform. Early imagery shows a broad delta-like wing blending into its fuselage, accompanied by a three-engine configuration. This suggests high endurance, significant electrical power generation, and the ability to support advanced payloads or unmanned teaming. The J-36 appears to prioritize long-range capability and multi-mission flexibility, giving it characteristics similar to a next-generation strike platform, but with a stealth-focused exterior. By contrast, the J-50's layout emphasizes agility and aerodynamic refinement. Its tailless lambda wing hints at a priority for high-performance maneuvering, while its twin-engine setup balances thrust and efficiency. Rather than maximizing payload or endurance, the J-50's shaping and size suggest a focus on air superiority roles, high-altitude interception, dynamic engagements, and advanced sensor fusion. While the J-36 explores endurance and versatility, the J-50 seems tailored for high-precision control, rapid response, and advanced onboard intelligence. Satellite images from Lopner, China's remote test facility, show both aircraft conducting evaluations in alternating time periods. This supports the idea that test teams are intentionally staggering flights to compare data and refine both programs without overwhelming facility resources. Engineers appear to be evaluating which design philosophy offers better adaptability for sixth-generation requirements, long-range intelligence and multi-role capability, or extreme maneuvering and air dominance potential. The J-50's faster pace in recent months may indicate internal confidence in Shenyang's approach. Its move into more advanced testing, signaled by the removal of the airspeed probe, may place it ahead of the J-36 in readiness level. But China's decision to test both jets demonstrates a willingness to explore multiple paths, leveraging competition to push innovation further. Ultimately, the J-36 and J-50 aren't rivals. They're complementary paths toward defining what China believes the future of aviation will look like. Their simultaneous progress reveals a strategy built on flexibility, experimentation, and accelerated advancement. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.